Alright, what's good, you guys? Brother Color back with another video. We here with...
You know the name, you know the game. Dre 2 Craig. Back with another banger video, man.
And... Yes, sir!
Rubber sound in this thing, you know what time it is!
Y'all already know. Yeah, chillin'.
He forgot his slogan.
He forgot his little intro.
Anyways, guys, we are doing the watermelon and rubber band challenge. If you guys didn't know, this is a watermelon. It's Spider-Man edition, decorated by yours truly. You feel me? Look, the challenge is we're gonna see how many rubber bands does it take to get to the center of the watermelon. How many
Is that the Tootsie Pop?
How many of you guys think? I'm gonna guess like 650. You feel me? But like. Yeah. Who knows how many it's gonna take to get to the center of the watermelon, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, or do all that, you feel me?
Do it right now.
Yeah, right now.
Right now.
Let's get into the video.
Let's get it.
Yeah, someone got it. Yep.
20, boom,
20.
easy.
Try to grab this side.
Yeah.
30, we finna make Spider-Man.
Spider-Man finna get hit with the green gob.
Oh.
What's that, 40?
30,
40.
Easy 50.
Yeah.
Easy 5-0.
Easy
5-0.
Period.
Alright, 60. Let's throw 60 on up.
60.
Yep.
I bet 60 on my. Better drop some. I like.
Remember, make sure you keep it in the middle.
Mariah dropped it.
What?
Knuckles is ashy.
For real. I said that to him earlier. He ain't want to listen to me about no lotion.
But that's 120. No,
That's
that's
120.
no, it's
Yeah.
no.
122. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7, 8, 9.
10, 11, 12.
13, 14, 15.
16, 17, 18, 19,
20.
20.
20. There
Right.
you go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11.
Bate 4,
Ouch. My fingers are stuck. Why didn't nobody help?
We all help.
Nobody did.
Okay. Where they at?
Where they at, though? Boom.
Make sure y'all pull wide, get it over.
Hey, put your hand in here, bro. What you
Coach
doing?
so bad. Whoa.
Bro, these rubber bands are small.
They are.
We all gotta help.
We definitely
That's 140?
are. This is probably the biggest rubber band we ever did, y'all. Biggest rubber bands. I mean, biggest watermelon. I'm tripping.
180.
I'm still in there. Yep. 180.
Why do I feel like when we pulling them, it's gonna pop?
Come on.
Rubber band.
Go ahead.
Look.
If you can do 200 by yourself,
Go ahead.
I'll do it too.
Oh, it popped. Look,
Oh.
see? Look
You
at
better
that.
brace it,
Look at that.
Bro, what do you...
Rest in peace, rubber band.
Dre.
Ah!
Alright.
Bro, I need help.
Give us a new stack, because that's not 10.
Oh, yeah, it's 9.
Everybody.
Because 10 minus...
I know it was. The way he said it.
What? 10 minus 1 is 9.
You right.
So that's what I'm saying. Like, 1
Hey,
rubber
grab
band
a side.
9 rubber bands.
Who got the most vocals?
You.
Huh?
Thank you.
Tried
vocals.
it. Tried it. I'm definitely Michael Jackson off the group.
Go ahead.
Go.
Go ahead, Michael.
He's Tito. But
Go ahead, Michael.
Go ahead and
Go ahead, Michael.
Let me hear.
I'm starting with the man in the mirror.
Hooyah!
Hey, you a hater. Let me. You a hater, bro.
Hey.
I'm gonna go solo.
You did that, bro.
No, I'm gonna go solo.
You did that.
I did that. Look.
Yeah. A scooty looty doop doop. Bow hot.
Y'all some hater.
I was gonna sing.
Yeah, go
I was
ahead.
gonna sing that song.
Go ahead.
Nah, bro.
I ain't never gonna do all that.
Go ahead. Hit him, Maxwell.
Please. What the fuck? Bro, go ahead, Paris. If you don't do better than that, hold on. Go.
This one is wood.
No.
This one is
No. Nah, bro.
That's way better. What
Y'all
did you
too
say?
No.
You sound like someone's dying.
Do the monster mash. Do the mash. It's a midnight smash. Do the mash. Never mind. Y'all ain't seen it. Y'all ain't hip.
Dude,
No. That's the one that Paris had got?
No, 220. Just put it on, bro. 220.
Yeah. What do you mean Paris that got?
Give me a beat. Give me a beat. Give me a.
I just wanna rock.
I done pulled my back all out of place. I'm too old for all that, man. Dang. Ooh. It hurts, man. Ouch. No, for real. I really did something to my back.
For real, your back bleeding?
Yeah, I threw it out of place, man.
I thought you was throwing that.
All them hips he was removing.
Shakira.
Yo, I don't know what I did to it, bro. I need to go to the doctor.
I'm a doctor. I can get you right. You want me to look at it? I can snap your back in
Don't
place.
touch me.
No, for real, I can snap your back in place.
No, he know how to do it. He a Cairo.
Nah,
He a Cairo.
I got a degree.
Come on.
bro, if you mess my back up, bro, worse than it already is, I could really walk right now.
No, I really can snap it.
You could walk, bro. Come on.
No, he's
He's really got a certificate.
Yeah.
He's certified.
Okay.
Come on.
And you know, I'm
All right,
training for
relax.
it.
I
So.
got you.
Okay, do
Now,
it, man.
relax, breathe. Now, relax. I might have to grab your butt cheeks, but relax.
Never mind, I'm cool, bro.
I'm trying to help.
I'm good. I'm good.
All right. How many is that? 310?
That's 320.
Oh, 320 at that? All right, come on.
320 at there.
How you say 320 in Spanish? It's Trace Dos.
No, it's 3. 30 is 30. So
22.
32.
I don't know. 100 is 100. So
32.
Oh, cien.
no. Come on. Put it on.
I'm trying to
That's
say.
sad, bro.
That's
That's crazy.
I think this will actually
Maybe I like the way you move.
I like Buzz break.
And I like everything that you stand for.
340.
That is.
Oh, it just did me.
Hold on. Oh, look how much it squeezed. Look like.
Oh, squeeze is squishing.
Ah! There's an ant on the table. Look, it just crawled in the crack.
You scared me. I want you to know that. 30. What you saying?
7:30.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Wait. Y'all hear that? No, for real. I just heard.
I
it.
know that.
You heard it too?
Yeah.
No.
We good.
Listen.
You gotta share it if you're gonna do that.
No, but maybe I'm just hearing.
Hold on.
No, it was a rubber.
It's a family
Was
portrait.
the rubber band like moving?
A family.
Ah! You almost busted open. And my lips.
I felt that one.
I felt that too. That hurt.
All right, come on.
LeBron already knew that, but he remembered his favorite quote.
What?
This so crazy. Yabba dabba da, you don't know, little baby. You would have to know LeBron to know it.
Did he mix the Flintstones with LeBron? He said y'all been down.
I know what you're talking about.
This is a weak watermelon.
I know.
It's 420.
It's 420.
420. Uh-oh.
420.
Spark up.
Hold on, back up, cause look how it's like it's about.
Bro, it's literally already.
But see, he's gonna
Wait.
Wait, why is it this?
What's my-
Why is it
Wait,
swollen up?
wait.
Hey! Hey, it's dripping in the back. Hey, lick it.
No, for real, bro. It's
Hey, look at it. Why is it dripping already? It's already right
Where's dripping at?
and right here in the back.
In the bag.
All right, come on. We gotta put some more.
All right, come on.
Some more rubber
We
bands.
at 430? Okay, put it on, man. The Paris.
Right? Give me the cereal, bro. Hey, that's just getting squeezed.
For real?
Okay.
Hey, look at it. Hey, it's going. Oh.
Hold on, cause y'all playing too much.
440.
Oh,
We're
yeah.
at 480.
Y'all, we at 480. I was about to say 480. Like,
If she ain't 480, she ain't a lady.
Hey.
I don't know if y'all can see, but Spider-Man really he really getting squeezed right
He
now.
deformed, y'all.
Hey,
And we got
I know y'all.
Yeah. Let's start
He was
this
a perfect circle.
now he's a cylinder.
Now we. No, like y'all know. Did y'all learn about obtuse and obtuse angles in classrooms? So like when you was in trigonometry, they taught us about something called a trapezoid, and his head. Oh, he's leaking. Oh, he's leak. Oh, he's leak.
Oh, he leaking.
Bro, it is. He's so cute. Look at him crying, y'all. Y'all see that?
Oh, all in the back too.
Hold on, grab a.
Hey, bro, this one ain't asking that.
Where did we get Cocoa Puffs from?
No, where did I get Cocoa Puffs from?
Can y'all help?
What's wrong with him?
500.
500.
Hold on, grab a rubber band.
Oh,
All right,
my
500. This
finger.
500, y'all.
Yeah,
500. Oh my god.
Look at the top.
Look at the top.
Oh! Hey, look at the top.
I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Look
Look at the top. Look at the top.
Stop
Can you
putting
see
bust
that?
at your phone.
Leaking. Now look at the back. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but all this popped off.
You feel me?
It's
You know
all
I got my
leaking in the
protection, got
back.
my goggles, and my picture.
It's 550.
I said 650.
Yeah.
Hold on,
550.
I need protection. You.
I'm on
cereal.
It's on protection.
550. What's that?
Hey, look! The ant came back on the crack. It came back up.
Someone said it's moving. No, it's not.
Eating cereal, bro.
Look at this, chat. Look at this.
Stop
Look at
moving
this. It is literally leaking like profusely out of its side. That was me, guys. Relax. Everybody's so scary nowadays.
No, what's it called? Grab a side.
Bro, Paris is
We
no.
be having a forced Paris.
Hey! is leaking, bro.
2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get these goggles ready. Thank you for the gifts.
He thought it was a
Thank you for the
slide.
gifts.
Nice.
He thought that was a banger.
Y'all know it, but
2.
All right.
That's 4, 6.
Oh! Hey, give me my give me my cereal box. Hey, yo, did you see that? Hey,
Look,
Hey,
look. No,
hey,
no,
did you see
no,
that?
No.
Now we
Hey,
good.
here.
No, we
Hey,
good.
it's dripping.
We good. Someone put some more rubber bands on.
Go, Drake, go.
No,
Be
I'm
a
not
second
putting
bite.
nothing on it.
Do
I'm
it
not
for
putting
the
nothing on it.
team.
I'm not putting nothing on it. I'm not putting nothing on it. I'm not putting nothing on
Do
it.
it. Go out there.
Okay.
Okay, I got you. I got
Hold
you.
on.
One.
Okay, hold on.
Slowly.
Wait.
Yo, you broke
Oh
the
my
picture.
god.
It was 560.
560?
Yeah.
That was
That's 560.
last time it took longer than that. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, we were trying to.
Yo,
get
we broke the picture, broke.
He broke it.
The watermelon. You still eating cereal? Ew.
You gotta.
Like, comment, and
Yeah.
subscribe.
Yeah.
All our YouTubes will be linked down below.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Let us know what you guys want to see next.
Period. That was